Hi traders. If you're new to trading or you find yourself struggling to stick to your plan, then I've got something special for you. I'm here to help you succeed in the challenging world of trading. And no, I'm not selling anything. I'm just genuinely here to help you achieve your goals. Here's the deal. I've set up a Discord community where we can talk one-on-one about your trading plan. Hopefully you have one. Whether you need help creating a plan from scratch or you just want someone to point out the different areas where you could be doing better, well, then that's the place for you. And I encourage you to come along. I know how tough it can be to stay disciplined and consistent, especially when you are just starting out. So many shiny things out there, so many different ways you can go with this. That's why I'm offering to sit down with you for a 30 to about 45-minute Zoom meeting. We can go over your strategy, we can go over your trading plan, we can identify where you might be slipping up, and we can figure out how to get you back on track. Or we can get you started with something new, depending on how it goes. In these sessions, we will dive deep into your trading habits. We're going to discuss what is working and what's not working. And more importantly, we're going to be able to put you on a track that'll get you successful faster. All I ask in return is that you fund lunch. Because hey, we all need a little fuel to keep going, right? I gotta eat. Success in trading, it takes time. It takes effort, it takes patience, and it takes discipline. If you are willing to put in the work, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. I'm not a mentor, I just consider myself a coach. So if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, click the link below to join the Discord, and let's get started. Remember, I am not selling anything. I'm just offering my help because I genuinely want to see you succeed. So let's make your trading journey a successful one. So hit the link below, join the Discord, and let's start talking. I look to see you in there.